Last night, driver Wayne used Rapidemic for the first time. After driving lessons at the Mission and Epidemic Prevention Knowledge Lecture test offered by the local Center of Disease Control and Prevention, he became a qualified driver in epidemic period. On the other side of the city, Nurse Lau had just arrived home from work. She was totally sick of the long walk between her workplace and her house that she had to take twice a day. At that night, she decided to try making order on Rapidemic. After medical staff account registration, she decided to make a taxi order routine at 6 a.m. every day. According to the future vehicle usage on the platform, the Rapidemic system sent this order to Wayne's phone. Wayne and Lau confirmed the order after checking each other's health condition and timetable. This morning, Wayne goes to the collaborating sterilization spot to upgrade his protection suit and the protection equipment. He then does a sterilization routine and upgrade his daily sterilization information on Rapidemic. Lau checks driver Wayne's upgraded information when she gets up. She goes to the meeting spot afterwards and Wayne is there already. Lau uses her phone to scan the Rapidemic sterilization QR code in the car to learn more about the new sterilization information of the car. Driver Wayne, guided by the special version of AMAP navigation plug-in in Rapidemic, sends Nurse Lau to the destination hospital on time. On the other side, today's daily necessities and food demand of Guangming neighborhood is upgrading in Rapidemic via group purchase order. The community staff send the order to Wayne later after checking the whole list of purchases. When the after-order sterilization is done, Wayne drives to the nearest supermarket to purchase. After the purchase, Wayne carried the goods to the neighborhood. Community staff firstly send mass texting goods receiving confirmation to the resident and secondly send the goods door by door. Meanwhile, Wayne received an emergency order from the nearby Xinfu neighborhood. An aged person suffering from appendicitis needs to be sent to the hospital immediately. However, all the vehicles serving the neighborhood are on duty. Warm-hearted Wayne takes the order right after mutual health state confirmation and heads to the neighborhood. The community staff helps Wayne get the patient on the call. Rapidemic selects one hospital that is not designated for coronavirus medical treatment and offers navigation. Wayne drives fast to the hospital and sends him to the doctor. Now, it's time for a short break after tense missions one after another. Wayne experienced a systematical and efficient service provided by Rapidemic, and he has the faith to fight coronavirus to the end.